Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change text box shape in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now we want to change the shape of text box. At first, go to the insert menu. Select the text box, then draw a text box. You can write anything. You want to select the text, click and drag on your mouse and increase the font size. Now you want to change the shape of text box, select the text box, go to the shape format menu, select the edit shape drop down menu, choose the change shape option. We can see here many shape. Now I am make the shape is decagon. You can add the outline color. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.